In today's video, I'm going to share it with you how I clean my house with all natural homemade cleaners that are easier on the budget and is a lot better for our health. Hello guys, welcome back. We have a very busy weekend behind us. We visited some friends, we had some friends over, we had some food and all the good things going on. So now it's time to reset our home for the Monday morning. And the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put the distraction away. That means my tablet and the phone because sometimes I like to listen something while I clean, but I find that I get more productive if I focus more on the task that I do, because that way my focus is on like how can I do things in the way and manner that is more efficient. And if I have something that I listen to, which I sometimes I do and I enjoy, I definitely it slows down the things for me. This is how I work. So after I removed that, I started to clean up the countertop, and that starts usually with eating the stuff that I find on the countertop. I love this essential oil blend. I like to use this at night. I have different ones. The ultimate favorite that I like the most is the Good Mood. That's the name of the blend. But I'm going to use the sleep one now so I can wind down for the night. And I think essential oils are so nice to set a mood in the house. Like if I want to have something more energetic that gives me more energy, I like to use some citrus ones. If it's a hot summer, I like to use a peppermint, so it's kind of gives you this cooler feeling. And at night, I like to use something that is more sweet or floral, like the lavender. Our house never looks 100% put together, and we don't have a perfectly clean and organized home, especially all the time, and it's only lasts just 5 minutes if it does. But about a little bit over than a decade ago, we simplified our life big time. We pared down things, and I had to rethink what are the things that are the most important to me, what are the things that are helping me, and what are the things that needs and requires my extra attention and time, and what I need to clean for the nothing because I don't really use it. So that was very helpful to start to have a more simplified home that needs a less cleaning. When I do the dusting, I like to spray on the rag, and that way it just makes it moist, and that way it will catch the flying dust. But if the rag is too wet, it's going to just leave lint on the furniture. So the entrance is the area that I need to clean more often. I have to put away some shoes, and obviously I need to vacuum here more often. Olaj az ajtóból, or what's that? This black smeary thing. What is that? It cannot be dust. No, not like that. It looks like graphite.
Graphite?
Yeah. I mean, what the heck is that? This is not dust. This is not dust.
Your finger's dirty. You're making the door dirty.
What is that? Is that oil?
Let me try.
Yeah, what is that? Okay, this is not a regular dirt.
Yes, this is a dark dirt.
Could that be from the fire out there, like the wildfire?
Is this the same thing?
It's like,
Oh yeah, that's the same thing.
it's like ashes or something. But I don't have that much dust anywhere else. Like, could that be from the door hinge?
How about up
The
here?
oil? It's not
There's
much.
a little
It's
less
just.
dust up here.
I know. It's just only there. That is weird. Please don't smear more on it.
Oh my goodness.
What are you doing?
Because now it's all over my hand.
Spot on it. Wow. See, it's black. It's not dust. I'm thinking maybe it's the oil from the hinges. Well, I don't know what to think. We have a quartz countertop, so I could use some vinegar on it, but I want to be on the safer side, so I just use my all-purpose cleaner, and I use the vinegar mixture on the cooktop only. I read something that the natural stones don't like the vinegar. It can make them fade and it can make them look dull. And I also getting questions quite often, how sensitive is that countertop? It can get stained very quickly, especially by carrots or turmeric, but I was able to manage to clean it again, so it's not going to stay there forever. It stayed there for a while, but the magic eraser and this all-purpose cleaner, the more I clean it during the day, because obviously there are more dirt that will be on the countertop. As I clean them, it fades away and it gets back to that normal white color. I would say if you use a lot of those spices and you just don't have time to pick up anything right away off of the countertop, maybe a more busy pattern or a darker color maybe is benefiting you more. But I cook a lot. You guys have seen it. I cook multiple times a day, and it's actually not as difficult to maintain this countertop.
Won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost, let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow.
I like to keep up with the dishes by hand washing most of the time, because I use a lot of pots and big bowls, and I don't want to keep 10 of them, so I have just 1 or 2 of that. So I just wash them right away, and if we have a few dishes, I like to take care of them right away. But this was a busy weekend. We had some friends over and I was cooking even more. So now this is the perfect time when I can use dishwasher.
Ooh. one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's
On the days when I have energy for it, I like to prepare the breakfast ahead of time, the night before. So tonight I'm going to make some oatmeal.
Ja.
I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another?
Zsolt is warming up some taco for the boys, and Cole is about to wiping the dishes to dry and put them away, and I'm just finishing up the things in the sink.
Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
We are trying to work around each other. So Zsolt is going to fill up this big bottle under the sink because we have an attachment. It's just a long tube that is connected to this pump part on the top. So basically for months I'm good with the dish soap that way. So we had this in our previous home. He made this over there too. So we just recreated again because it just works so well. It's just really just one less thing to think about.
Let's turn up the love.
I remember when we were doing the remodeling in this kitchen. If you haven't seen those videos, I highly recommend. There's so many bloopers and other things in there. I will link down below a few of them. But when we did that, Zsolt mentioned to me like we should change the original design and we should make the space wider between the sink and the island. And I'm so thankful we did that because the highest traffic is between the sink and the cooktop, and it's so much easier to work around now. I can't even imagine if we would have a narrower space, it would be more difficult. So it's really nice to have that extra space. If you are in that situation where you remodel and you have the space for it, it's definitely something to consider, like how wide the space should be between the sink and the island. Even that way we lost a little bit of a space from the other side and we got very close to the beam. I still would say it was worth it. Even though we are after dinner, way after dinner, the boys decided to eat one more time and just to have a snack right before they go to bed, just because they are teenagers and they are growing. I like to prepare oatmeal for a whole entire week, but to tell you the truth, it never lasts that long. We always eat it as a snack on the afternoon, and there's just so many options how you can just spice it up. Sometimes we just add some peanut butter, banana slices, couple of nuts, dragon fruit powder, so it's just endless possibility, and it's just a very healthy snack. Baking soda itself can be such an amazing cleaner, but you can actually, if you add some oil to it, it's a whole new level. And on the fall, I will have more recipes, and you can check my last year videos for fall cleaners. Like I like to put some cinnamon in there and orange oil or tangerine oil and mix it with the cinnamon. Guys, that's amazing smell after you finished cleaning. My goal is definitely to get finished before even dinner with the whole entire cleaning and just picking up things, but sometimes it doesn't happen. You know, life gets busy, or we just play board game with the boys, or we're doing something else. So, but my goal is to get finished during the day so I don't have to do that much at night, but sometimes it happens. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you for being here and watching until the end. I love reading your comments and just getting to know you more there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!